flaps on this way. Slide them out with the little tabs towards the back. And you remove this screw.
What size is that? T what?
T15.
T15.
Put this bracket on. I'm just using the existing screw for drilling purposes, but you can use a longer one when you put it together. And you make your 13/64 drill bit. Drill a hole here. Down here. You gotta remove this bracket. Get your last clip, pull this out. That slides right into another tab here.
The hole's already there.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Then you take the medium length screw with a washer. Take that down. Now we gotta put a rivet in, which only goes through the liner. Makes no sense, but that's, I guess, what it does. You gotta wipe off with your double stick-em tape hose. And then there's a tab right here. It has to lock into this slot on the bracket. That. And the longest screw with the washer goes in the top. Oh shit, I didn't leave my double sticker tape thing out.
Watch for the tails, you're saying?
Yes. Otherwise you're screwed. Peel the tape off. Give her a good push. The last thing you do is drill a hole down here for this glass rivet.
The one from the bottom. And that's front mud flap installed.
2024 Traverse.
Thank you.